We don't just sell houses, we sell a lifestyle. And this one is next level. An entertainer's dream is a true understatement. This property has absolutely everything you can imagine and more. An oversized chef's kitchen, teppanyaki grill, plenty of living and entertainment spaces for you and your friends. Entering this primary suite, enjoy this beautiful 180-degree mountain views. Talk about a primary closet. This thing has it all. This private sports court has it all. Tennis, pickleball, basketball. And the best thing is, look at those views. Let us know what you think of this desert oasis. If you want to schedule a private showing, send us a message today.